Welcome to the Elon Musk Signal channel. More than 2 months after the groundbreaking launch event, spacecraft number 31 has successfully completed cold pressure tests at the mass testing facility. This marks a significant milestone, paving the way for the next phases of development. Concurrently, fabrication of heat shield panels for spacecraft number 30 is also progressing rapidly, promising new breakthroughs in protecting the craft from extreme temperatures during atmospheric re-entry. Additionally, observers eagerly await the debut of Booster 5 on the launch pad, poised for a dramatic static fire test. Join us now as we delve into the detail. At the forefront is spacecraft Ship 30, currently undergoing a comprehensive upgrade process. The spacecraft's heat shield system is being completely replaced with new technology, promising improved heat resistance and protection during atmospheric re-entry. This new material consists of multiple layers stacked together. The bottom 2 layers comprise insulating materials and a metal mesh, similar to previous iterations of heat shields. However, the key highlight is the new top layer, believed to be a high heat-resistant carbon material. This will serve as the primary protective layer, responsible for absorbing immense heat as the spacecraft hurtles into Earth's atmosphere. SpaceX hopes that this new heat shield technology will enhance the spacecraft's survivability and enable longer, more complex missions in the future. Nevertheless, extensive testing and validation are still required to ensure the effectiveness and reliability of this new system. Meanwhile, progress on completing spacecraft Ship 30 and Booster 12 is accelerating. Despite encountering some challenges due to the effects of storm barrel, SpaceX remains determined to conduct Booster 12's static fire test at the earliest opportunity. Everything goes according to plan. We could witness this historic event by the end of this weekend. However, predicting the timing of the Starship test launch remains uncertain. Elon Musk has shared on social media his hope for the next test flight to occur within the next 4 weeks. Yet, given the complex nature of rocket technology and the continuous technical challenges, possibility of flight delays cannot be ruled out. In the launch area, first module of the Orbital Launch Tower B been moved out of the factory. Despite facing some alignment issues, assembly of the tower's components is expected to be completed this week. These developments underscore SpaceX's rapid pace in developing infrastructure, gearing up for historic milestones in the near future. Markedly different from its predecessors, this construction incorporates notable improvements. With a more robust foundation featuring redesigned pile systems, combined with stainless steel structures and hollow columns, it promises a taller and more stable launch tower. However, these changes also introduce new technical challenges. Aligning the components becomes more complex, demanding absolute precision. As a result, the engineering team is grappling with difficulties in aligning parts and ensuring uniformity throughout the structure. However, with a relatively large permissible margin of error, SpaceX can still address these issues and complete the launch tower on schedule. The complexity of the construction process is not just a technical challenge, but also an opportunity for SpaceX to accumulate experience, optimize processes, and enhance technological capabilities for future projects. Alongside constructing the launch tower, SpaceX is also upgrading the surrounding infrastructure. Fuel and pneumatic pipeline systems are being integrated into modules of the launch tower before assembly, reducing construction time and increasing efficiency. Furthermore, expanding the area for the orbital launch mount piling demonstrates SpaceX's long-term vision for building a large-scale rocket launch facility in Boca Chica. Meanwhile, final preparations for the next test flight of Starship are also being expedited. Spacecraft number 31 is ready for engine installation and heat shield placement, or undergoing cold pressure tests at mass. This process is expected to take about 2 months, raising significant questions about whether SpaceX will apply the new heat shield technology, as seen on spacecraft number 30, to this vessel. If so, we may have to wait until November of this year to witness the test flight of spacecraft number 31, marking it as the final iteration of the first-generation Starship. Recently, the company also requested 4 actuators to align Ship 31, a move indicating meticulous preparation for the next test flight. These actuators will play a crucial role in precisely aligning Ship 31 with high accuracy. This is paramount because during flight, Starship will undergo significant forces. Accurate alignment will ensure the spacecraft can move smoothly and safely, optimizing flight performance while minimizing risks to astronauts and protecting the spacecraft from damage. Perfect alignment of components will enhance maneuverability, save energy, and increase agility. The request for 4 actuators shows that SpaceX is undertaking final preparations for the next Starship test flight. Aligning Ship 31 is integral to this readiness process, ensuring the spacecraft is prepared for the upcoming challenge. However, challenges not only stem from technology but also from nature. Storm Barrel, although weakened, remains a potential threat. SpaceX has taken preventive measures, such as relocating critical equipment and lowering large cranes to minimize damage. While the direct risk to Starbase is low, potential flooding and strong winds keep the engineering team on high alert. Another noteworthy development is the dismantling of old fuel tanks at the orbital launch mount area. This opens up possibilities for the future of the site. 2 new methane tanks are being transported and could be installed, establishing a complete infrastructure for fueling Starship. Despite Storm Barrel affecting the work schedule at Starbase, SpaceX continues its efforts to finalize these spacecraft. Booster 12, scheduled to conduct its static fire test of 33 engines this week, represents a significant milestone in the Starship program. This will be an unprecedented test of thrust power for a booster, marking a major advancement in rocket engine technology. However, Storm Barrel has forced SpaceX to adjust plans, area closures and operations suspended during specific timeframes. Nonetheless, with unwavering determination, SpaceX hopes to execute Booster 12's static fire test before the week concludes. A notable point is SpaceX's decision not to use the hot stage ring for Booster 12. Instead, they are employing a new protective cover similar to the one used on Booster 13. This demonstrates SpaceX's continuous search for optimized solutions and cost reduction in production processes. SpaceX is entering a challenging yet promising phase. The success of the Starship program could usher in a new era for the space industry, bringing humanity closer to the dream of reaching Mars. Let's await and follow SpaceX's next ambitious steps in this journey. What are your thoughts on the recent developments at Starbase? Share your comments below. And join us in following the upcoming significant news. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to catch more interesting videos on the Elon Musk Signal channel. Goodbye, and see you next time.